everyone, welcome to Diabetes Every Day. I'm Toby. Don't forget to subscribe if you haven't already. I'm thinking I owe you a healthy recipe video, and since I don't develop recipes very often, we're going to borrow one from one of my amazing recipe developing dietitian friends. This recipe is from Kathy Siegel's new cookbook, the 30-Minute Clean Eating Cookbook, and it seems like a perfect fit for me now that I'm living in the South. This is Kathy's grilled veggie collard green wraps. In our community garden, it seems like everyone grows collard greens. I think because they tolerate the heat. And it's been a staple of Southern cuisine for many decades. So this is perfect timing for me to try a recipe using collards. Here's what you'll need to make these wraps. 2 tablespoons olive oil, 1 tablespoon balsamic vinegar, 1/4 teaspoon sea salt, 1/8 teaspoon fresh pepper, 1 yellow squash cut lengthwise into 1/4 inch strips, 1 zucchini cut lengthwise into 1/4 inch strips, 1 red bell pepper also cut into 1/4 inch strips, Nonstick cooking spray, 1/2 cup green goddess dressing, which we're going to be making very shortly, 4 large collard leaves stemmed, and 2 tablespoons hemp seeds. Now, first we're going to make Kathy's green goddess dressing recipe because I compared it to a popular brand and found her recipe has half the fat, 4 grams of protein versus 0, less than 1/5 the sodium, and only 6 grams of carbohydrate compared to 10 grams for the store-bought green goddess dressing. And this is my kind of prep. Just throw everything into the food processor. Here we go. 1 avocado pitted, 1 cup Greek yogurt, 2 teaspoons honey, 1/4 teaspoon salt, 3 tablespoons olive oil, the juice of 1 lime, 2 garlic cloves minced, the green part of 2 green onions, 2 tablespoons dried tarragon, and 1 small bunch fresh dill. Is this a small bunch? Hey, why not? Now, we just blend until smooth. You can store this in the fridge for about 5 days. Okay, back to the wraps. The fact that grilled veggies is in the recipe name might give you a clue that we are going to grill these veggies. But first, we'll make a marinade by whisking together the oil, vinegar, the salt, and the pepper until the mix emulsifies. Then it's into a resealable bag with the veggies, and we'll leave this for 5 minutes. Okay, now we spray our grill or grill pan, and we add the vegetables. These will cook for maybe 8 to 10 minutes, and we want to make sure we turn them every few minutes. Finally, we lay out a collard leaf, add the green goddess, add the grilled vegetables, sprinkle with the hemp seeds, and roll it up, folding the sides as we go. 2 wraps is a serving, and the serving is 74 calories, 28 grams of fat, 12 grams protein, 22 grams total carbohydrate, 8 grams fiber, and 412 milligrams sodium. My thanks again to Kathy Siegel for letting us borrow this vegetarian recipe. Now, if you'll excuse me, until next time.